Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO Y35. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, find display and brightness, and now in this menu you've got all settings for your display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change brightness level manually or via adaptive brightness. Next, you can enable eye protection mode and dark theme, and both of them you can schedule, and eye protection mode you can adjust. Next, you can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. You can enable or disable auto rotate screen, change screen colors between standard, professional, bright, and adjust color temperature. Next, you can change font and display size, font style, you can adjust status bar. For example, you can change notification method, enable display real-time network speed and battery percentage. And then you can adjust screensaver, enable or disable it, and select when to start. Next, you can change screen refresh rate between 60 Hz, 90 Hz and smart switch. And in full screen display of apps, you can manage apps that are supposed to work in full screen display. And in display at the top of the screen, you can hide notch for certain apps. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.